Today we're going to get the events from your Google Calendar into Google Sheets using the Coefficient add-on. Keep in mind this also works in Microsoft Excel. So if you do not have the Coefficient add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, then we'll go ahead and open the add-on by clicking on Extensions, Coefficient, and Launch. And then when the sidebar is open, we're going to click on Import From, and then we're going to find Google Calendar under Suggested Sources. If you do not see it under Suggested Sources, scroll down to See All Sources, and then you'll find it there. So when you find Google Calendar, click on Connect, and then we just need to authorize. And then we just click on our account, Continue, and then Allow. And then once we're back in our add-on, we can click on Start from Scratch. And then we have two options here is get a list of the calendars that we have or get events list. If you see here in brackets, there's this calendar ID. So let's look at this real quick and I can show you what this is about. So in this case, we just have one main calendar and then two other Google default ones you can add. But I want to show you that there is an ID column. And so if you had multiple calendars, you want to select the ID of the calendar that you want to bring through. So if we go back to get events list, we can see its calendar ID. So we could paste that calendar ID there. Or if you only have one, then you can just type in primary and that also works. There's also some optional things we can add here. For example, we can determine what event types we want to bring in. We can also add in the minimum or starting time and the max or ending time we want to use. And that's in this format here like this. So if you need help, you can click on here and it quickly helps you just type into the date. It'll give you this format that you can paste right in here. The final one is you can also determine whether you want to show deleted events or not. So once you have those done, if you need to, then you click on Preview to get a preview of those events. And then next you can determine what columns you want to show. So we can get rid of some of these extra ones here. Sequence. Transparency updated. There we go. Nice simple layout there. And then we can go ahead and click on Import. Once it's done importing, we'll see a little pop-up here asking if you want to auto-refresh the data. And you can do that on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. Or if you do not want to auto-refresh, you can click Not Right Now to set up later or to refresh manually. All right, that's all it is to import your events from Google Calendar into Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel using the Coefficient add-on.